Hey everybody, Life's Journey at 50 here. So, hey, you're going to see, you know, this little series that I'm doing here. It's really about, you know, can big bikes do some single track or do some gnarly stuff? And, you know, a lot of people have given me a hassle about why do you do this, or why do you want to beat yourself up, or the big bikes, you know, shouldn't be whatever. And, you know, I get a kick out of it because to me it's a challenge. I like the challenge. I like it because it helps me build my skill sets better. Could I do it on a smaller bike? Sure, I could do it on a Tenere or you know, smaller bikes at dual sports or whatever. But at the end of the day, I feel it's a challenge to take the big bikes. Yes, it is a pain in the derriere. Don't get me wrong. When the bikes go down, as you will see in this in these videos, it's not fun picking them up, but I enjoy it. So that's the reason why we do it. I'm also, you'll see, I'm a little tender coming through here. I'm just coming off of my broken leg, about 6-7 weeks after my broken leg. So some of the stuff I'm not attacking like I normally would, but that's neither here nor there. That's on me. Big bikes can do this stuff, and I would say that we enjoy it. I enjoy it, and yeah, it might be nuts, might be foolish on my part, but at the end of the day, take a look. Hope you like the little bit of a series, maybe 2-3-parter here, and we'll go from there. So thanks a lot for watching, and hope you enjoy. See ya. Bye.
Let's do this, my brothers. Are we having fun yet? Video, Dan down. You are keeping your status alive, my friend.
What?
You're keeping the status alive.
Reputation to uphold.
Yeah, you got a reputation to uphold, brother. Woohoo! I get her through.
I can tell you've been in Columbus. I can tell.
All this is courtesy of you.
Is somebody behind you?
No. Oh yeah, brother. It's always a lot of work. People always give me a hard time. Why do you take those big bikes and you blah blah blah? And I'm like, because I want to and I can.
That's it.
Up, Dan's down again, I think, over there. A little touch to it. There you go. Hey, there's a cleaning fee on that bike, by the way. One, two, three. One.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Whew. I gotcha. Colombia. I got you, bro. I hate going through the brush. All right. Whew. Okay. Easy there, Tiger. Oh, Daniel went down again. Dan's down again. Oh, Tim, that was fun. Ugh. Tree branches. All right, through the brushes again. Whew. What was that?